Hi, today we're going to see how to solve problems using rational numbers. Now we're going to start with this problem, and this problem is about money situations. This is something that we use a lot. You use money a lot, and here we're going to see a situation that it happens to me last Thursday when I went to the market. I was like moving around through the market and I saw some carrots and some eggplants. I love eggplant and I love carrot to eat. Those are vegetables and are really tasty. So, and I found out that I bought 3/4 pounds of carrots at $1.75 per pound, and I also bought 2/3 of eggplant at $2.25 per pound. And I want to know how much money I spent in vegetables. Okay, so first, my hint for you is that first, try to do try to understand pretty well the information, and if possible, if you want, you can start doing bars or graphs or something that shows you what you're doing. So for example, in this case, you can imagine that your carrot is related to a bar, and this bar is divided in 4 parts, and the complete bar cost $1.75, but you're just going to have this part, okay? Just 3/4 of this bar, okay? And this is carrot. Okay, maybe you want to do the carrot. This is carrot, okay? And on the other side you have the eggplant. So I'm going to do like the eggplant. Okay, something like that. Okay, my eggplant. And for my eggplant, I'm going to do a bar, and this bar is like, okay, I didn't do it at scale properly because this is like longer. This should be longer, and it should be 2/3. So let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it here. Okay, just for me to show you that it's better. So I'm gonna do it down. You have here, so I'm going to do like another bar that is $2.25 or $2.25, and it's divided in 3 parts. And I'm going to take this part, and this refers to my eggplant. Okay, so this should be something that it's going to help you to understand what you're doing. If you try to do some image, some figure, is going to help you to understand what you're doing. As you can see, you're not having 1.75 plus 2.25. You're having a part of this 1.75 and a part of this 2.25. And if you want to know the total money you spend, you need to add both regions that are shaded. Red region plus blue region. And this is what we're going to do. How to calculate blue region and red region. So according to this information, you just need to multiply 3/4 times this number to have the first region. So 3/4 times 1.75 to have how much I spent in carrots. And here I just need to multiply 2/3 times 2.25 to get how much I spent in carrots. Okay, so now I'm going just to do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just do my calculations here. 3/4 times 1.75, and here I'm going to do 2/3 times 2.25. Here we can use the strategies you saw in other videos of how I did simplify and I divide quickly or I multiply quickly by fractions. You can see the other videos. So how to do it? So I'm going to do it very fast for you to remember how to do it. I'm going to divide first by 4. So if I divide by 4, it will be 1. So 1 divided by 4 is going to be 0. But now I'm going to put it here because of the decimal point. Now 17 divided by 4 is going to be 4. 4 times 4, 16. But to 17 I'm going to use 1. 15 divided by 4 is going to be 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 15 is going to be 5. I'm going to put a 0 here. I'm sorry. 3 times, it's going to be 3. And 3 is going to be 30 divided by 4 is going to be 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And I got 2 left. And 20 divided by 4 is going to be 5. So this will be the number. And now I'm going to multiply this number times 3. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 7, 21, and 1, 22. 3 times 3, 9, and 2, 11. 3 times 4 is going to be 12, and 1, 13. Okay? And this is how much I need to pay for carrots. Okay? We're not going to round it. We're going to round the final answer. And now I'm going to do 2/3 times 2.25. So I'm going to divide by 3 first. Divided by 3 is going to be 0. 22 divided by 3 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 222 is going to be 1. And 15 divided by 3 is going to be 3. Okay? And now I just need, 3, 5. 5. And now I just need to multiply. 2 times 5 is going to be 15. 2 times 7. 2 times 5 is going to be 10. What happens to me? 2 times 5 is 10. I have 1. 2 times 7 is 14 and 1, 50. So that will be 1.50. Okay, and now you just need to add the numbers because you're interested in the region. So you need to add both regions. So you just need to add the numbers. You can add them the way you want. Maybe you want to put them in a column. For you to be simpler, just remember to align the decimal points. Here will be 5, 2, 1, 3 and 5, 8, 1 and 1, 2, 2.8125, $10,000. But remember that dollars should be round to just 2 decimal places. So the money you need to pay is only $2.81. This is the money you should pay, or I pay, for my vegetables. That it's pretty cool because it's not expensive and I love vegetables, you know. But because remember, you need to add, in any food, you need at least eat half of your dish should be vegetables. And this is how you solve situations using rational numbers and fractions. Fractions are rational. Remember, try to imagine in your head, try to squeeze the information. If you want to do a figure or an image, or try to show how to do it, and then operate and simplify. This is how you solve situations. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you reach here, it because you like it, please like it. Subscribe to my YouTube to more content in this pre-algebra course and other courses that I'm doing. Bye bye. See you in the next